taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about a synthetic unit. Not a synthetic unit, y'all. I'm tripping. Let me start over. Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about a virgin hair unit that was sent to me by YS Wigs. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you guys are sharing these videos. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because you know I got all the wigs that you need and have questions about. So make sure you're following. So today's unit did come in this cute little box. It does say YS Wigs. It gives you all the information on how you can contact them and all of their social media links. When you get your wig, it will come in this Ziploc bag. Obviously mine isn't in there right now. They did bless me with some combs, and when I tell you this multi-pack of combs is like such a throwback, but I promise you it will be put immediately to good use in my house, because combs are always finding themselves broken or lost. So I'm grateful for that. I think because Halloween was coming up, they did send me a cute little mask. So if you were going to a masquerade ball for Halloween, I guess the mask would have come in handy. Wig caps, always a good thing. And there is a card with return information if you need to return your unit. So that's all the good stuff that comes in the pack. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, you do get a little duster as well that says YS Wigs on it. I did get the wavy bob. This is what the bob looks like. I did bleach the knots, so that's why it looks sort of yellowish on the inside. Cap construction, you get 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the top, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps. And yeah, this is what the wavy unit looks like. These waves have been washed because, like I said, I did bleach the knots. So I washed out the bleach and conditioned the entire wig, and this is the wig air dried. So I will take this unit off. This unit is from Soar Hair. If you're curious about this one, I will leave a link up here and a link in the information bar down below so you can check this unit out, but make sure you finish watching this video first. So the fit is pretty good. The wig is a little too long on the ear tabs. I could definitely trim off some of the frontal along the ear tab, but I don't think I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to secure this unit down just by using bobby pins on the side of my head. This is a technique that I use when I know I won't be wearing the wig for long. I'll probably just be wearing it for a couple hours or just for the day, and I don't want to gel everything down using the Got To Be. And it seems to be laying down pretty nicely. The hairline looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. So what I think I'm going to do is actually comb the unit back. Actually, let me use a wide tooth comb because I don't want to disturb the waves too much. But I do want the unit going back so she's not lifting too much. Yeah, I like her going towards the back with no defined part or anything. I think this is a cute look. I'm going to pull some baby hairs down and trim them up and lay them down. It looks like this unit does have some baby hairs already, but they're way too long for my taste. So I'm definitely going to trim them. And I'm going to just grab
sleep. say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So it's dry now. It's like legit puckering a little bit right here, but I think we'll make it. I think we'll be fine. So I'm gonna take these out. I know a lot of people like to tie their hair down when they lay their baby hairs down, but I like volume around the front of my face, so I oftentimes don't like to tie down my lace fronts when I lay them down, and I typically like to just do the flip over method with my hair or just have it going to the back because I like volume around my face. I want to do that wet look with this, so I'm going to grab my Indie Hair sea salt spray and give it a nice douse. Wet it down. Of course, I'm gonna try to avoid the front where I just did all that work to lay down the front of my hair. And I think that should pretty much do it. I was gonna grab a wide tooth comb, but I think I need to grab a smaller one to really distribute that product through my hair. Okay, so we got the wet look going on. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. And of course you want to add a little bit of shine so that when it dries, it still will have a nice sheen to it. So add your heat protectant, which should be oil-based. If your heat protectant is not oil-based, find a light oil mist that works. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the final look. I do want to flip this baby over. I'm sort of loving this wig. I really like how the parting is coming out and how the knots bleached. I love how the hair moves and the length. It came this length. I didn't have to trim it or anything. It just looks really great. So yeah, if you guys want an affordable lace frontal unit that's already cut and ready to style, I did not have to pluck the part or the front of the hairline. All I had to do was create baby hairs. So yeah, you guys, if you have questions for me, leave them in the comment section down below and I will be 100% sure to get back to you guys. And make sure you guys are following my wig blog and my website that has so many great things to offer, www.jessthedragoness.com. You guys already know where to find me on social media, on Instagram and Facebook at Jess the Dragoness. And if you guys do like this unit and you want to see how you can purchase it, I will leave links in the information bar down below, and yeah, I'll leave a link to the website so you can check out the other wigs and hair that they have to offer as well. And if I missed anything, I'm sure you guys will let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.